excited to share with you a recipe for a delicious mutton keema stew. Heat kadhai, add oil half cup, add cinnamon stick 1 inch, black pepper pods 1 teaspoon, cloves 6, add bay leaf 1, saute on medium heat for 10 seconds. Add sliced onion 1 cup. Cook onion till light golden brown. Add minced mutton 500 grams. Mix and saute till it turns off white in color. Add salt 1 teaspoon. Add red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Now add black pepper powder half teaspoon. Add garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Add cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Add red chili flakes 1/4 teaspoon. Add ginger garlic paste to it 1 tablespoon. Mix well and cook for 10 to 13 minutes on medium heat. Saute the mincemeat nicely so that raw flavor goes away. Now add paste of 2 tomatoes. Again cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of roasted kasuri methi. Mix well. Add half cup of water to it. Half cup of sliced onion. Mix well. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat. Open the lid of the kadhai and mix it well. Now add chopped green chilies, julienne ginger, some chopped coriander, mix again. It's a perfect comfort food for any time you're craving something savory or satisfying. Please like and subscribe.